Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the Black Sapphire Metallic 420D M Sport Coupe. The vehicle features a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit which has been finished in gloss black. Alongside that, the vehicle has the full BMW M Sport Plus pack, and we've added a set of freshly professionally refurbished 19-inch 704M alloy wheels. At the front of the car you can see it's a 2017 67 reg. We've got the lovely facelift LED headlamps with the LED projectors. Down the side, BMW fit the car with the lovely gloss black air breathers. We've added the gloss black sidebars and the YNC Mperformance decals. Again, thanks to that M Sport Plus package, you do get the sun protection glazing on the rear windows, and there you can see down the side of the car, as well as being very nicely presented. All of the additions we make work very nicely. The interior for this 4 Series, we've got the black Dakota leather, which in the front comes with both the heated and electric lumbar options, and again all of that is in great condition. It does come equipped with the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. We've also got the Harman Kardon, of course, again thanks to the M Sport Plus package. Rear seats for the 4 Series are an ISOFIX 2x2 arrangement with a central folding armrest, and of course, being the M Sport model, you get the darkened M Sport headlining. Rounds towards the rear of the vehicle, again showing you off these freshly refurbished alloys, and of course you can see there once more the M Sport Plus brakes standing out very nicely. At the back we opted to go for the high gloss rear spoiler and matching diffuser. And if you've not yet seen the boot capacity for a 4 Series coupe, you'll be very pleasantly surprised, as that is a nice size area, and also comes with split folding seats to of course give you that little bit more freedom for larger items. Driver's side, again you can see got a very nice clean example for you, and all of that working nicely with the additions we've made. And I shall now go through, take a seat inside, as there is yet more special features awaiting us on the inside of this 420D. Starting with the digital cockpit, it's also equipped with, which is a really sought after option and extra for quite a few reasons, all of which we can show you once I start the car. We've got cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all on the multi-function M Sport steering wheel, and of course the paddles for the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. Before I show you any of the functionality of that digital cockpit, you can see the car's covered just over 32,000 miles at the moment. That's a fairly normal looking display. However, of course you can see it is digital. When I take the RPMs up a little bit, all of the numbers do highlight themselves. However, when we go into sport, everything changes quite dramatically. We get a lovely red glow alongside a very large digital speedo, and it's the same should we choose to go into Eco Pro. Again, the display will change for a different readout. Going on to the professional wide navigation and media screen. Being a facelift car, we've also got some facelift items on there, as well as all of the menus being separated as part of that facelift to make this a little bit more user friendly. We'll start with the navigation. As you can see there, that uses real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. Going through into communications, where we've got Bluetooth, telephone and audio, and a wide array of multimedia inputs including DAB, music collection, USB, and of course we've already spoken about the Bluetooth. Going back to the main menu before showing you the service requirements for the car, another great way of keeping you connected is the Connected Drive Plus. It also has, giving you access to online search, news and weather apps. Again, this is all powered via Google, and this will not use any of your own data, as the car has its own onboard 4G network. Last thing to show you is just the service requirements screen, and if you go down here, there you can see there that everything is highlighted in green, and the next service is not due for 8,000 miles time. And up at service history, we've got a service recorded at BMW for its first service. Down here, of course, dual climate control and the switches for these lovely heated seats. So once again, thank you very much for taking the time to watch one of our walk around videos of a lovely presented 420D M Sport Coupe. I hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. And of course, if you did want to get in touch with us here, you'll find all of the relevant contact information along with links to our website in the description. Once again, thank you very much. Do of course take care, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.